Let's talk about how you can activate and regenerate your stem cells and heal your body from inside out using foods. Stem cells play a crucial role in rejuvenating and healing our body, but the right food can actually help stimulate their growth naturally. So today in this video, I'm going to give you the under $5 foods to help regrow your stem cells and heal your body. So first things first, I need to tell you what stem cells are. Stem cells are human cells. You've got them, I've got them, that are pluripotent, which means that they have the potential to transform into many different types of cells in your body. Now, to give you an idea of how powerful a stem cell can be, let's go back to how you were actually formed. You started as a very tiny embryo, just a single cell from your mother's egg and your father's sperm. So during that time, you didn't have ears, you didn't have a nose, you didn't even have a heart. But inside that tiny embryo were stem cells which have the incredible potential to become any part of your body. So as you develop, these stem cells started differentiating, meaning they started turning into specific cells. Some became your muscle cells, some became your skin cells, and some even became cells that make up your organs. So this is how powerful stem cells can be. Stem cells is really very important in building your body up from the ground. It's like the blueprint that makes everything up in your body. While stem cell research is still ongoing and scientists are still discovering more every day about how we can harness the full potential for therapy, the good news is that our body can still activate, can still regenerate these stem cells naturally. Now think about your intestine, for example, which regenerates every few weeks. Or about your hair. When you have hair loss, a new strand actually grows in its place. All of these are made possible with the help of stem cells. If you have injury, your body regenerates, your body heals. All of these are due to stem cells, okay? Now the thing is that newer babies usually have higher levels of circulating stem cells, while as we age, our stem cells actually reduces in number, and that is why you see older people usually have longer time in recovery from injuries. So let's get into how you can use foods to activate and regenerate your stem cells. Alright, the first food you need to be taking is green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages for activating your stem cells, and plenty of research has documented the health benefits of green tea consumption. Now, when you take green tea, the polyphenol, the phytonutrient in green tea like catechin and other phenolic compounds actually undergo what is called metabolic processing to form a metabolite called PCA, which is a very powerful antioxidant. Now, studies have shown that PCA increases neural stem cells. It also kills cancer stem cells, which is kind of very interesting because chemotherapy usually kills tumor cells while leaving the cancer stem cells unharmed. So this is one of the reasons why you see a lot of people after undergoing chemotherapy, their cancer relapses. So when you take green tea is going to kill it from the background, from the root. Now, research has also shown that catechin enhances self-renewal capacity of healthy stem cells, which means that catechin can help maintain and potentially increase the number of stem cells available for regeneration and healing your body. So matcha green tea is one of the most effective one, and I highly recommend you start taking that. All right. Number 2 is mushroom. Mushroom, especially varieties like reishi, maitake, and shiitake, support stem cells activity. Now, this mushroom contains compounds like polysaccharide, which has been found to stimulate the growth as well as helps in tissue regeneration. Okay. Now, mushroom, especially reishi mushroom, actually is known for its immune system boosting properties, which indirectly can support the stem cells by providing conducive environment that supports the growth as well as that supports your body regeneration process. So reishi mushroom is very, very good for boosting your immune system. Additionally, mushroom of this variety are also a great source of antioxidants, which protect your stem cells against oxidation, which is one of the things that can hinder your body's ability to heal. Okay, so reishi mushroom and all of these mushrooms are very, very effective in reducing oxidation They're also very effective in reducing inflammation. Okay, so I would really encourage you to start taking mushroom. They are very good for activating your stem cells. They are very good for healing your body. And number 3 is papaya. Now when it comes to nurturing your stem cells and healing your body, papaya is one of the top superfood you need to be eating. I remember growing up, we used to have a lot of papaya trees in my compound. Now, the most interesting thing about papaya is that it contains this compound called papain. Now, papain is a proteolytic enzyme. When we say something is proteolytic, proteolytic enzymes are enzymes that breaks down protein into smaller fragments like peptides and amino acids. Now, this papain has been shown to help reduce inflammation. It helps in wound healing. It helps nourish your scalp. It helps reduce oxidation, which can help protect your stem cells. And a study actually found that taking papain stimulates the production of stem cells and help in their transformation into cartilage cells, which helps in cartilage defects. So papaya, which is a great source of papain, is really very good in nurturing your stem cells, in healing your body, and stimulating the growth of other important cells in your body. Okay, so you definitely should start taking papaya. Now, number 4 is by eating cruciferous vegetable. We're talking about broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are have a lot of amazing benefits. Okay, now they actually contain this compound called sulforaphane. Now this sulforaphane has a lot of amazing properties. It helps stimulate the production of liver detoxifying enzymes, the enzymes that can help reduce contaminants from your body, heavy metals, as well as toxins. Now the other interesting thing about sulforaphane is that it is very anti-cancer, and it actually does this by inhibiting the growth of blood vessel formation by cancer cells, and that also helps block the uptake of nutrients by cancer cells. Okay, so sulforaphane has a lot of amazing benefits. It's also very antioxidant. It is anti-inflammatory. Now these green vegetables are also packed with nutrients like indothyroid. Indothyroid is a very interesting compound. Now one of the functions of this compound is that it helps detoxify your intestine. Now other benefits you can also get from this compound is that it helps maintain your breast health. It also helps balance your hormone. It helps improve your liver function. Okay, so cruciferous vegetable is just like everything in one that you need to help stimulate and boost your stem cells. And lastly is pomegranate. Pomegranate is really very important in activating and stimulating the growth of stem cells. Now studies have shown that the antioxidant in pomegranate helps stimulate the production of progenitor cells. Now progenitor cells are cells that are involved in tissue repair and regeneration. Now the other interesting thing about pomegranate is the fact that the phytonutrient like ellagic acid helps reduce oxidation in your stem cells and also helps reduce inflammation. Additionally, compounds like urolithin, which is derived from the digestion of pomegranate polyphenols, and this compound has been found to improve your mitochondrial function as well as stimulate muscle regeneration. Okay, so eating pomegranate is actually very important in stimulating the growth of your stem cells, in healing your body. All right, so guys, these are the 5 foods you need to be taking to help stimulate the growth of your stem cells, to reduce inflammation in your body, and to help heal your body. Thanks for watching.